Okay, so I am starting off on blow-dried hair. Okay, these are the products I will be using today. 2 packs of this hair, my tail comb, and I'm gonna begin parting. Ignore my sister in the back. So I'm just parting my hair into 2 sections just to, have my sections divided so I could start with the back and then make my way to the front. Now I'm starting my first row. These are like medium to large size braids, so yeah, the row's gonna be pretty big. Gotta clean that up. I have a piece of my hair in the middle that just like broke off. I got this like blowout at a Dominican salon and my hair just like fell off right there. So, all right. I'm gonna be doing 3 in the back, by the way. So you start off with a little bit of product on the root. This is the hair. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I section off the hair. So to make this go by a lot faster too, it's better if you just like part all your hair and have it laid out and you just grab as you go. So you don't have to do it again for each one. But yeah, it's pretty simple. You're just crossing it over, making an X, and it should look something like that. Yeah. All right, so I tried my best for you guys to see this. You're just gonna cross it over and braid it in. It's just like a regular braid. You're just literally putting the hair on top of it. And you're gonna plait that in. So I like to start mine off with plaits, instead of twists, because it's just more secure to me. It doesn't slide out, it lasts longer. So I started off with that little plait, and then I'm gonna part my hair into 2 with the braiding hair and begin my double strand twist. And you just want to make sure, especially at the root, you get it as tight as possible, because you don't want, after a couple of days, your hair is just sliding out all over the place. You finding hair all over your house. We don't want that. So yeah. So I'm just going to continue my double strand twist. Make sure it's tight at the root. Checking it out. Ignore that zit on my face. So I had to get up for you guys to see the rest of it, because I'm doing mine really long. I want them to be hitting my booty.
Purchase a list today at www.mindkeys.com.
All right, so we have 1 done. I'm gonna do the rest and I'll meet you guys. All right, so we got all the back done. Time to move into the front. So I am parting off my first section, making sure it's straight. And we are going to part that into, making sure that's clean. This is the front. You could be lazy in the back, but when it comes to the front, you got to make sure it's in right. Well, my parting is right. Okay, so this is way more detailed, so you guys can really see what I do. I kind of braid on the opposite side of most people, but if you braid on the other side, then you just do it on your side. So yeah, I'm just plaiting it in. And then I'm going to part it in 2. And then that's how I begin my twist. And don't worry about any product at the root. You could just smooth it in or it just goes away. It's just like that initially.
www.mindkeys.com. Purchase a list today at www.mindkeys.com.
Mind keys on the beat.
Y'all thought you was about to see something cute, but no. You gotta trim those ends, girl. Trim those ends. Then we are going to dip in hot water. Be careful with this process. Don't burn yourself. Have your towel handy. And this is the finished product. Yes, serving. Okay, so I got these hair jewelry from the beauty supply, and bam, if you want to accessorize. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. I'll let you guys know everything, where I get the hair from, my products, the accessories, everything like that in the description box below. Let me know if you have any other questions about the style or anything else you want to see from me. And I hope this is really helpful, and it teaches you, you know, how to do your own hair or how to do your own protective style during this lockdown. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe to your girl, and check out my previous videos as well. Thank you.